come there.
He's calling me fat, and we're on Wildfire.
Yeah. He's not as fat as I am, but he's really kind of fat.
No! Anyway, we're on Wildfire. We're on the second to front row. I tried to do a rider cam here before, but I almost dropped the GoPro, so this is the second try. And we love this coaster, right?
No, it's okay.
It's almost
It's
as good as
amazing.
Goldie's Toolkit, the Zero here. Kidding, of course. But yeah, this is our 6th ride. We love this ride, and let's see how strong this airtime is.
Let's see who's getting spot Frederick.
Yeah, spot Frederick in the background. Here we go! Amazing. Woo! So, front row or back row?
I think I don't know. I might say back row actually.
Okay, yeah.
So, yeah, I don't know. Positives, negatives, not negatives, but positives for both.
Yeah. Definitely a hard choice for sure.
Fucking amazing no matter where I sit.
Yeah, so strong.
I'm